subtract 4 a square b minus 3a plus 5 a square minus 8a plus 7b minus 10 from 18 minus 3a minus 11b plus 5ab minus 2ab square plus 5a square b. So we have to subtract this from this. First we write this term, it is 18 minus 3a minus 11b plus 5ab minus 2ab square plus 5a square b minus, first time will be written here with 4a square b minus 3ab plus 5ab square minus 8a plus 7b minus 10. We will change the sign of these terms. This term will look as 18 minus 3a minus 11b plus 5ab minus 2ab square plus 5a square b. Now we will change the sign of these terms. Will become 4 minus 4a square b minus plus 3ab minus 5a square minus, it will become plus 8a minus 7b plus 10. Now we will handle the term of constant first. It will become 28. 18 plus 10 is 28. Then 5a. A term will be handled first. It is 3a. Then is 2a. Is 5a minus 18b plus 8ab minus 7ab square plus a square b. First we will handle the term of constants, then a, then b, then ab terms will be handled, then a square, then a square term will be handled. So this is the answer.